In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change unit in Canva. We will walk through the exact clicks you need so you can set your design size in the unit that actually makes sense for your project. First, go to the Canva homepage. If you are already signed in, you will see your recent designs and a big search bar across the top. If you are not signed in yet, log in so that the homepage shows all the usual Canva panels. Take a second to confirm you can see the main navigation on the left and several template thumbnails in the center, because that confirms you really are on the home screen Canva expects for this process. Now click Create Design. You will find this button near the top right corner of the Canva homepage. When you click it, a menu opens under the button with different suggested sizes like Instagram post or presentation. The screen fades slightly behind the menu, and the new panel focuses your attention on ways to start a fresh design. You are not changing any existing design here. You are just starting something new with the exact dimensions you want. From there, select Custom Size. This option usually appears near the bottom of the Create Design menu. Click it once, and a small panel appears on the right or center of your screen, depending on your layout. In that panel, you will see two number fields for width and height, and next to them a small drop-down showing a unit such as pixels. Custom Size is the place where you tell Canva exactly how big you want your new document to be, instead of accepting a preset template size. Next up, click the unit drop-down menu that is showing px, in, im, or cm and pick your choice before typing your width and height numbers. When you open this drop-down, you will see at least 4 unit options: pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Pixels are usually used for screens, like social media graphics. Inches, millimeters, and centimeters are better for printed items such as posters or flyers. Choose the unit that matches how you plan to use the design, then check that the unit label next to the width and height boxes has updated to your choice. Only after that, type your width and height numbers. A detail many beginners miss is that Canva remembers the last unit you used in this custom size window for your next new design, which can save time but also means you should always glance at the unit label before entering numbers so you do not accidentally create something 10 times larger or smaller than planned. You have now learned how to change the unit for a brand new Canva design so your canvas size matches your real-world needs. So if this helped you get the right dimensions, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Canva tips.